In ancient times, a king ordered minister to place a large rock in the middle of a roadway. He then hid nearby in the bushes and observed to see if anyone would make an effort to move the rock aside. Some of the kingdom's richest merchants and courtiers came by and simply walked around the obstacle. Many complained loudly about the king not maintaining the roads properly, but none of them took any step to remove the stone themselves. One day, a poor peasant happened to pass by, carrying a heavy load of vegetables. Upon reaching the rock, he put down his burden and tried with all his might to push the rock away. After much effort and struggle, he finally succeeded in moving it to the side. As he returned to pick up his load of vegetables, he spotted a purse lying on the ground where the rock once stood. The purse was filled with gold coins, along with a note from the king stating that the treasure was meant for the person who cleared the path. In life, every obstacle we encounter carries within it an opportunity, a chance to change our circumstances. While some choose to grumble and complain, others seize the moment through their hard work, kindness, and determination to make things better. Always remember, see every problem not as a burden, but as a doorway to growth and improvement. Thank you for watching, and stay blessed.